Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a neon outline text effect. But it's just only the outline on CapCut PC. Go to text, add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word outline, and I'm just going to select this one right here. I'm also going to change the font. You don't have to. And I'm going to go to stroke and adjust the thickness of it, and I'm going to just select glow and just adjust the intensity of it. You can also adjust the range of it as well, and you can select different colors if you'd like to, like that. You can add it now or later, so you're just going to simply right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and select the screen or the brighten one, and then here's where you can add in a background, and it will be like just the outline only. As you can see, maybe like choose like a different, hold on, canvas for it, like that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!